So if you tried out 2b and number 4, these should be your answers, okay? You should have n equals 11 for b and n equals 15 for 4, okay? Now we are going to take a look at the exterior angle sum. Now, really quick, before we jump into that, I want to draw in what an exterior angle is. So if you can mark that line, mark that line, mark that, mark this, and mark this. All of these are exterior angles. They are on the outside of the polygon, in this case a pentagon. So we learned yesterday that if it is a pentagon, the exterior angle measure, or excuse me, the interior angle measure is 108. So that would mean the exterior angles are 72. And we know that because these two form a line, so they are supplementary. They are a linear pair. The interior angles and the exterior angles form a line. They are a linear pair, so that means they add to be 180. So each of those is 72. Now, if you take a look, you have 5 of them. If you did 72 times 5, they each have to be the same since it's regular, that would equal 360. This is true for any shape. All exterior angle sums will always be 360. Okay, so if you wanted to find each of them, you just take 360 and you divide it by the number of sides, right? If it's regular, if all the angles and the sides are the same. So if we take a look at some examples of a dodecagon, it says find the measure of an exterior angle, so look for the key words, an exterior angle, so that means 1, of each regular polygon. Dodecagon has 12 sides. So that means if you wanted to find 1, we do 360 divided by 12. And if you do 360 divided by 12, you should get 30 degrees. Each exterior angle is 30. Go ahead and try out B. You can pause the video. Let's take a look at 6. Find the number of sides. So now you're trying to find n if I give you the exterior angle. So that would mean you can set this equal to 360 over n. Now, just like before, you can make this into a fraction so you can cross multiply. When that happens, you'll get 20n equals 360. And you would divide each side by 20. So n would equal 360 divided by 20, which is 18. Now I want you to notice here, this 360 divided by 20, that's just the total degrees divided by this degree here. So you could also make that shortcut, but that means here you have 18 sides, because we looked for sides. Go ahead and try out B. You can pause the video. If we take a look at 7 and 8, I want you to try those out also on your own. Use your notes.